Hello, gorgeous. This is Justina. Thanks for watching my channel. I wanted to share with you a quick drink that I made with my friends when we had a quick dinner and yoga right after. This is a simple drink that it really, if you're looking for something light, this was amazing. It was a hit with everybody. Everything that you need to make this quick and simple drink I show in the video, and please leave a comment if you do try it. Let me know how yours turns out. If you do not have a juicer just like me, it is completely fine. You can use a food processor or a blender and it works just as fine. Like the videos, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.